I'll be showing you how to turn the torch or the flashlight on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now I'll show you several methods of doing it so that in case one method doesn't work, you can always use the other method. So with the phone unlocked, swipe down to the quick settings icons and you should see the torch icon there. You can tap on it anytime and that's going to turn on the flashlight, and you can tap on it again, that's going to turn it off. Okay, so that's one method of doing it. Now another way of doing it is on the lock screen. So your Samsung phone will allow you to turn on the torch even on the lock screen. So you can see currently the phone is locked, but even when it's locked, you can swipe down to the quick settings panel and turn the flashlight on or off. Okay, now you can even add a shortcut to the lock screen. And if you want to know how to do this, just watch my video on how to change lock screen shortcuts on your Galaxy S24. And once you add it there, you can quickly turn the flashlight or the torch on or off by just swiping. Okay, so like that, and then swipe on it again, and that's going to turn it off. Okay, those are the different ways of turning the flashlight on or off on the Galaxy S24 series. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.